Boosting the recovery. As EU countries gradually begin relaxing lockdown measures, the economy needs a kick-start. Parliament backed a €750 billion recovery plan with the EU Green Deal at its core. On top of this, MEPs want the next 7-year budget to build on the economic recovery and get Europe back on its feet. Investing in health. The coronavirus crisis has tested the resilience of our healthcare infrastructure. EU for Health is a €9.4 billion programme which will increase our preparedness in the face of cross-border health threats and bolster our healthcare systems. Protecting businesses. Lockdowns and border closures have left many small and medium businesses struggling. Through the European Investment Fund, more than €1 billion has been made available, incentivising banks to provide loans to 100,000 European businesses. Supporting the unemployed. For those who find themselves out of work, the SURE initiative is providing up to €100 billion in loans to member states to cover the cost of short-time work and furlough schemes. Help for tourism. The EU is coordinating the gradual reopening of European tourism and promoting Europe as a safe travel destination. Member states can now introduce voucher and loan schemes to support tourism jobs and businesses. Banking requirements. Following the 2008 financial crash, rules were put in place by the EU to help banks weather crises. The relaxation of the capital requirements regulation will now give banks the flexibility they need, allowing them to lend and absorb losses due to the pandemic. Help for farmers and fisheries. The EU's agricultural and fisheries sectors have continued to provide us with safe and healthy food despite major challenges during lockdown. Individual farmers are now eligible to up to €7,000 in compensation, while small agri-food businesses can receive up to €50,000 in help. The EU has also implemented aid for food storage and more flexibility in market support programmes. Helping EU countries. Worth some €37 billion, the Coronavirus Response Investment Initiative is helping member states fund their COVID-19 crisis response. Maximum flexibility ensures that national governments can invest the funds where they are needed the most. State aid rules. The EU has relaxed the rules on how EU governments can support people and companies. The temporary framework allows for up to €800,000 of grants per company, low-cost or guaranteed loans and help for export businesses. Protecting European assets. In times of crisis, some businesses can be vulnerable to foreign takeovers and state-subsidised competitors. The EU has called on member states to screen bids which could risk the EU's security or public order, and to ensure fair competition rules apply to everyone.